Hello guys, we have an exciting topic y'all have been asking for today.
Mobile video editing apps for content creation. Well, there are lots of them out there, but today we're going to hear our top 3 mobile video editing apps for content creation. Whether you're an Android or iOS user, these apps are for you. My name is Zane and I'll be giving you tips on each of the editing apps.
I am deberechi and I'm going to be talking about my experience on these top 3 mobile video editing apps.
This is Zane Life Tech and deberechi.
So, let's get it.
Zane Life Tech.
Starting from number 3.
InShot.
When it comes to editing videos on your mobile device, ease of use is key. The app allows you to easily import your videos and photos from your phone's gallery. You can then arrange and trim your clips, adjust the playback speed and even rotate them with just a few taps. You can apply filters to add that perfect mode or aesthetic, adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation, and even blur the background to emphasize the subject. InShot offers a vast collection of eye-catching video effects and transitions, and it provides an extensive library of fonts allowing you to add titles, captions and annotations, stickers including emojis, GIFs and shapes to bring your content to life. When it comes to audio, you can use your favorite songs or use the app's built-in music library, which offers a range of free high-quality tracks. When you're done editing your videos, you can export directly to your favorite social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and more.
Well, this InShot is a very popular, beginner-friendly mobile video editing app. Personally, I have used this editing app, and I'm going to tell you guys about my experience. First, let's talk about the editing. So guys, when talking about the editing, I would say InShot is doing a very good and an amazing job when it comes to the editing features. What do I mean? I have used InShot, I have edited a video using InShot, and I would say editing features, options, everything is very smooth. I would say it's an 80% smooth, and I really like it. So let's talk about the effects and transitions. What do I mean? I have used, like I said, I have edited a video using InShot, and I would say that effect is quite mind-blowing. They have so many options in their effects and their transitions. They are doing really good. Their text is quite on point. Like, the thing is there. You have different font size, different options you can choose from, which is very good. That I like about InShot. But what I do not appreciate when it also comes to the effect and transitions is the fact that when it comes to the animations, I'm going to say InShot does not do a good job there, because in the transitions, that's animations, I'm trying using one animation there, that's a zoom out, both the fade out and the fade in, and it's looking kind of blurred, dull. From an editing app, what you want to look for in an editing app is the skills, if it's top notch. Don't get me wrong, InShot is a very nice, good, beginner-friendly app. But when it comes to the animations, I think there are better apps that is good in that aspect. But you know, you can't be 100% perfect. Let's talk about the added sound. I'm going to say, with the sound, it is good. It is not bad for an editing app, especially for InShot. You know, it's very good, I must say. I've used it. But what I don't really see that is nice, as far as I am concerned, my honest personal opinion about it, is the fact that InShot, when it comes to their music options, you have to click on music. They will not take it to another music, and that's what I really do not appreciate about it. That's why it's all good. 2, also, their sound is quite low. What do I mean by it's low? Personally, I don't make use of artificial added voice. What I mean is, I don't use a side microphone or anything, or an earpiece or anything to add the volume to my sound. I use my natural voice to talk. So what I really do is I go to an editing app and I add the volume of my sound. better to my voice. But I tried editing a video with my natural voice using InShot and added the volume. Still, it wasn't giving me what I really expected, but aside that, it's all good. So now talking about the exposure of your video using InShot. First, I would say when you're trying to export your video on InShot, it's quite direct to the point, it's quite straightforward. But what I do not appreciate is the fact that using InShot, in order to export my video, they are showing me ads. Like, why are you guys showing me ads? Don't show me ads. But InShot shows me ads before I'm able to export my video. And if you're a content creator, you don't want distraction, you want things to go fast and smooth, but that's not the case with InShot. I was frustrated at a point because it kept on showing me ads. That's what I do not appreciate when exporting your video. But the exposure was quite smooth and quite fast. That's what is another good point to mark on using InShot when exporting your edited video. Another thing I failed to mention when talking about InShot is the watermark. You guys know the watermark usually at the top of your editing video or at the bottom that's beneath your video. What the watermark using InShot is quite terrible. I do not like it. Unlike my other experiences with other editing apps, which I'm still going to be talking about, but InShot, personally, the watermark is not removable except you are being able to subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, or a year before you're able to remove the watermark on their video, which is not a good idea to me. That's my red flag. InShot as a mobile video editing app. InShot is actually a very nice editing app, especially if you're an upcoming content creator, because it is simple, not complicated at all. All the options are there. You just need to click and find out, dig in to find the app more. That's what I really like about InShot. It is simple and easy to understand.
Coming up on second place, VN Mobile Video Editor. The VN Mobile Video Editing app is a feature-rich tool designed to help you create professional quality videos directly from your smartphone. With its user-friendly interface and powerful editing capabilities, VN empowers you to bring your creative vision to life. If you're looking for a feature-packed video editing app that's intuitive and easy to use, then VN is the answer. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, it offers a vast collection of eye-catching video effects and transitions. Here's where VN truly shines. Its extensive collection of effects and transitions. With VN, you can add dynamic transitions between clips, apply stunning visual effects, and even create slow motion or time-lapse sequences. The possibilities are endless.
Oh my god, is it just me? But I did not expect really much about VN mobile video editing app. And mind you, VN is both for Android users and for iOS users. That means that's another good point to note. So guys, like I said before, I did not really expect much from VN as a mobile video editing app, because other than the day I used it, I had no idea it even existed. So that's another thing for you to do, to explore more video editing apps for your experience as well to be very top notch, and also your editing skills to be another plus one. So guys, VN is very, very, very amazing to use. Oh my god, oh my goodness, I really enjoy using the app, and probably I will continue using the app because it's very nice. I really like the features, the options. Another thing I love about editing apps is the straightforwardness, and VN is one of them. What I noticed in VN is once you try to edit your video, like you upload the video you want to edit, it shows you direct music, and if you click on the music, you will see options to show the music effects and the sound, and in case you want to record. That's another plus mark. This is what I like, something that is straightforward. It does not need complications. It does not need for you to like check what's going on. I have to go here and there and da. It's very soft, and this is actually something I've not seen in any other video editing app, the ones I've tried though. Oh my goodness, another thing I noticed about VN I have not seen in any other one so far is the fact that in case you're maybe lost, you don't know where to go in order to edit your videos, it's actually a help. Did you guys, oh my god, I will use this app. I'm saying I will use this app because bam, it's good. It's very nice to explore. In case you're lost, maybe you're trying to edit but you're new to the app, you're trying to edit and you don't know where maybe the music is, or where to split your video, or where to delete your video, simply go to an option at the top of the app and you will see help, where it shows you simply how to do the app. So other apps you learn from VN, because VN is, I recommend this app seriously. It's lovely. Like they say, nothing is 100% perfect. Aside the goodness of VN, there are some minor things I do not appreciate about the app, but you can still stick to it because no app is actually perfect. You just need to find the one you're more at ease and comfortable using, and it works for you. What do I mean by I don't appreciate some features in VN? What I simply mean is the fact. What I simply mean is the fact that I try to like split my video, like delete it, and I don't know how to go back again. I don't know how to go back. Like I try to split a video, delete a part I don't want to see, which is common in every, you do that, you know. But with VN, I don't know where to press to do that, and that like got me. It shouldn't be hard. It should be, the option should be right. It should be hard. I splitted the video, I deleted it, but to go back to the main video, it was hard for me, which it shouldn't be so. Man, VN, man, what are you doing? But another thing also I noticed about VN, or probably saw about VN, is I tried to add the speed of my videos. Another thing I noticed about VN is I tried to add speed to the video, which is common. Everyone does that, every app does that, but I don't know why. For some reasons VN showed me an option where it's more of either I want to do a custom speed, hero, you know, options to how fast you want your video to be, which it shouldn't be so, because in other video editing app, it was kind of, you click on speed, you now choose the number of speed you want your video to be, then you will see other ones to do if it's slow-mo or montage or hero. But that was not the case with VN, because that's what I did not really like. But that's not enough, because I'll still be using the app because I like it. So basically, I barely understand the classification, the features, and some options in VN, but it's something that I believe I still need to like calm myself down, probably watch a tutorial, probably calm down and try to explore. That is what you should do, because no editing app comes that easy. You have to like dig in a little bit, you know, to see how it is and for you to see more options. But aside that, I really like the app.
Coming up for our #1 mobile video editing app, Capcut. The Capcut mobile video editing app is a versatile tool that puts the power of professional video editing in the palms of your hands. With its user-friendly interface and robust feature sets, Capcut allows you to unleash your creativity and craft stunning videos with ease. If you are looking for a powerful yet user-friendly video editing app, then Capcut is the ultimate solution. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Capcut offers a plethora of features and tools that will bring your videos to the next level. Just like InShot and VN, Capcut has a vast library of effects and transitions, glitch effects, and even create impressive split-screen visuals. The app's collection of filters and presets to elevate the aesthetics of your videos. giving them a polished and professional look. When you are done, you can just tap on export and adjust the resolution you want for your video. Just like InShot and VN, Capcut exports up to 4K.
Capcut, oh my god, I'm sure everybody, even the birds, even the fishes in the water knows of Capcut. I don't see anybody who doesn't know Capcut. I mean, this is all over, especially on TikTok, social media, it is everywhere. Because let's get right into it because I'm excited to talk about. I'm talking about the effects and transitions using Capcut. This is one thing I also look for in any video editing app. Actually, Capcut has a lot of features for effects, filters, transitions. Also, the animations is quite amazing. I really love it because it's very real. You would like to create that room for anybody watching, or for your audience watching your videos. They should feel like, oh my god, I was there. You should feel real. Yeah, it should feel real, very real. And I think Capcut is very great when it comes to that, because when I use the animations, it feels like, yeah, it's probably the next day or few minutes later. That's all we talk about animation. So Capcut does an amazing job. It has a lot of things that I really love, which I can't really say everything in just a video. Yeah, I really enjoy Capcut. The editing, the smoothness of the editing is like 100% accurate and smooth, and that's what you're looking for. Now I'm talking about sound, music, and music effects, or the record. I feel that is so good. This is another part I really enjoy in any video editing app, because I'm not that person. Like I said before, I make use of artificial voice. I don't make use of mic or small mic or anything like that. I use my voice, and I look forward to any editing app that actually adds volume to my natural voice sound. And Capcut does another amazing job, because the volume, oh my goodness, when you put it to 1,000, it looks like you put it to 1 million. It does an amazing job for just an ordinary editing app. Seriously, it does an amazing job, and that's what I really like about Capcut. Also, the music options is very straightforward. You simply go click on the music. You will now see options that say, do you want arrow and B? Do you want love? Do you want block sounds, like block music stuff? It's giving you a lot of app options, a lot of varieties to choose from. So that's what I really like about the added sound, music, or the record. I really like it. Capcut also have a watermark, but unlike InShot, Capcut watermark can actually be removed without you having to subscribe to anything, which is amazing. Actually, the watermark on Capcut appears at the end of your video. Any video you edit, the watermark Capcut appears at the end of the video, but it is wipeable, it is deletable. You can delete it, that's what I mean. You don't need to subscribe in order to delete it or something like that, which is very good, and I like it.
So which app is best for you? Well, it depends on your specific needs and your preferences. InShot stands out in audio editing capabilities. VN excels in keyframe animation and offers a user-friendly interface. Capcut provides professional video editing features and a wide range of effects. Which app is the best for you? Leave it at the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support our work.
Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you all did, please let us know what you guys think of this video in the comment section. And if you all want to see more of FT, Dean Life Tech, FT, Mary Deberechi next.
Which video do you want us to make next? Just leave it down at the comment section below. This is Dean Life Tech and Mary Deberechi. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Dean Life Tech.